July 1st. Here we are in this little bitty creek. I got me a point right here. It almost looks to be almost like a Dalton. That dip starting there, the tang's missing maybe. That is a Dalton. Oh man, no way. That's as close as I've got to a Dalton ever. That base, that dip starts right there. Serrations. Man, that's close. Maybe next time. I'll take it.